we'll see.
Bonjour, mon chéri.
Yeah, we're going to Paris. We're going to Paris, by God.
Weird.
Bring it home event.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going for a world record, breaking the world record of the most Harleys in a parade.
I wouldn't know this because I am not invited. Well, actually, I'm.
It's only Harley Davidsons. Because we don't want no Germans here.
I'll stand on the sidelines and take pictures.
There you go. All right, see you there.
Tennessee. Oregon. Oregon all the way.
Yeah, so turn this way.
Oh, hey.
We made it to 2000.
LE.
No Eiffel Tower here.
Nope.
We're at the 2019 Bring It Home, and it looks like we're going to bring it home. We'll find out later today, but it does look like the record's going to be broken. So
By a pretty good amount, I think. Right now it's held in Greece. We're going to take it back.
it is.
Bring it back.
I do have to say it is pretty awesome with all of you get to a point where it says Harleys only, so I had to park my
Bavarian.
BMW out in the field.
Yeah.
But it is pretty awesome to listen to all these Harleys because, and I can diss the BMW sound because I own one, but you're not going to get a bunch of sewing machines together and they're not going to sound cool. They're this cool. Sorry.
Yes.
So there is something unique about that sound of a Harley, or 3,000 of them.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you can see way over there in the distance is the end of the parking, and actually they ran out of space for parking in the airport and had to send them down this side road, and so they've got them parking probably around the corner there, probably I don't know, a good mile away. And then you have to walk all the way up here to register. And then up here also is where the majority of the motorcycles are. Look at that. You're not going to lose that motorcycle in this black Harley Davidson mob of motorcycles.
No. Buy the black vinyl one.
Maybe he got here last week.
Parked it last week.
Oh, really?
Well, that's like last year.
This year, my goal was to raise some serious money for a very serious cause, and that's motorcycle missions. And they don't only help they don't only help veterans, but they also help first responders. And if y'all know anything about me, man, I support my first responders. Let's hear up here with me. If you can't see him, he's here with me, man. Scooter wanted to be here today. I am bringing this world record home with y'all on my old Warhorse. It's a 1996 Electra Glide Standard. It's the first motorcycle to ride to every Harley Davidson dealership in the entire country, and I know I saw a lot of you along the way. Y'all taking me.
So this is the pace plane. This is what's going to lead the parade
Around the lap.
around the lap, and most Harley Davidsons in that parade.
But they're going to, when they head out of here, because I won't be involved in it, this plane is going to lead the way, and they're going to go around this track, and they've got, hold your hand up. Everybody is got one of these little counters on their wrist, so that, because they have to, it has to be official, they have to know that all these bikes, they have to register your VIN number.
It has to pass it on it.
Yes, it has to pass
So
it
no
on.
bad VINs, no bikes with no insurance don't count, all that. So they've taken this information, so it's Harley Davidsons. I don't even think big dogs can come in. It has to be an HD. That's what the VIN number's for. And
Richard's been chipped. He's like Mark, so if he runs away from home, I can find him.
So hey, we're just calling to see if that record got broken.
Yes, it did.
It did. What was the number?
Oh, hang on. 3497.
3497 is the official count.
Wow. Not
Wow.
5,000.
Wow,
Yeah.
but cool.
So yeah, so we're in good shape. I think it's gonna take a minute to beat that one.
Yeah, really.